Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making this famous Indian dish Paneer Tikka, which is marinated in spices and grilled in tandoor. But you can make it at home, just shallow fry them or you can air fry it. So in Paneer Tikka, with paneer we add some veggies like onion, bell pepper, tomatoes. So here we have to cut the onions in cubes like this. Then some capsicums, cut them in cubes as well. Same with some tomatoes. Now, as we are making paneer tikka, let's cut some paneer, that is cottage cheese. You can also replace these paneer pieces with chicken for chicken tikka. So this is the thickness we need for the paneer tikka so that the marination will nicely get absorbed into the paneer. Now let's start the marination. Into a bowl add some hung curd, some ajwain, ginger garlic paste, salt and some chaat masala. With that add some roasted gram flour, turmeric powder, coriander powder, then some red chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala and some kasuri methi. Mix everything really well. No need to add any water. We need really thick paste. Now the marination is ready. Dump all the veggies and paneer into it and slowly with your hands coat it really well with the marination. Now you can keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours or overnight in refrigerator. Then take a skewer and insert each veggies, paneer. Like you can go in an order like onion, bell pepper, paneer, tomato and again onion. Then repeat the same and fill the skewer. Once it is done, heat a pan, add some oil and shallow fry each sticks. You can also air fry them in 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Flip them in between and shallow fry all the sides till it turns these beautiful golden shade. You can serve these paneer tikkas with some coriander and mint chutney. Look at the soft and delicious paneer with the marination. Oh, it tastes simply amazing. It's a best recipe for any parties. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.